Good morning. Get ready to start the day. We are going to the McMinnville Airshow today. So I've never been there, so I'm pretty excited. Mainly because the Blue Angels are going to be there, and I've never seen them, but I've heard nothing but amazing things about them. So I'm going to drink my coffee, try to look a little less like a troll. We'll go see some airplanes. I think is pre-flighting his plane. We were going to fly up to the McMinnville Airshow, but with the TFRs and all the things, we can't. So he and his buddy are going to go flying this morning to kill some time and get some time in the plane anyways. So we'll pop down there and see that. Other than that, I'm going to do something with this mug of mine. Drink my coffee so I don't kill anybody. Ice my face because I forgot to take my allergy pills last night. We're gonna try and survive this day. I had to fix this seat this morning because it kept sliding back the whole time we were flying to and from the Reno air races. Thank goodness it's the passenger seat, not the driver's seat or pilot seat. So that was pretty scary. Something to do with the track, or this pin was going in fine, but it wasn't staying on the track. So I fixed it. See if he can hear me because this is an ongoing debate. It looks so much better without all the pink pool noodles on it. It looks like a real airplane.
They are red. They are not pink. The damn pen is blue.
No, they are pink. Where did you put them? They're right here. I will prove it to you. So these are what he puts on his plane because I have the purple ones. So this is a red shirt. These are very pink. They're like salmon pink, and he puts them all over his pool noodles. He got them at the dollar store. It was a great investment. He thinks they're red like my shirt red. They're definitely not red, and this is an ongoing debate. I don't think this is, I even offered, when I got my plane, I was like, I will take the pink pool noodles off your hands so you can get blue or green or something more less controversial. But no, he's stuck with the pink.
Red.
The pink pool noodles are here to stay.
They're definitely red.
Well, I tease him now because yes, it's an ongoing debate. But I really wanted to paint his Mooney to look like a cow, so it could be the Mooney. Now it's got pink pool noodles, so it's basically udders. So it's a girl plane.
And this is why she's got her own plane.
Yeah, this is why. Oh well. cannot believe what this Super Puma's name is.
Metro West Ambulance, your light team will sponsor the Oregon Airshow is a great representation.
Is Nemo?
Chick, that is an intense bank of breakers.
Oh yeah. You haven't seen all of them either. There's more of them.
They're back there trying to pretend like I'm not recording because it makes me uncomfortable. But they're doing the air show. I don't know if you can see it in the background there. But we're walking around because we're here at Precision, but we're looking at all the things. Ed wants a helicopter, and this is probably a bad idea to be somewhere where there's lots of helicopters. And then we got a Pilatus jet here. And then we got a Cessna over here. A few more helicopters. I'd love to say I know what they all are, but I don't. This Pilatus is really pretty. Just got back home. It was an amazing air show. So much fun. I want to say a special thank you to Precision because they opened up their hangar for us to be able to join them and their families. Kind of get away from the crowd, which was awesome. A little less intense. I want to apologize first of all though, because every talking video I did, you either can't hear me over the music or the music itself will get me copyrighted if I put it in here. So I had to cover up the sounds of every video and I wasn't able to include a few others. But anyways, I wanted to say thank you. The last about 2 hours now, I've started to feel a little under the weather, so I'm getting really stuffed up. I thought it was allergies, but we'll see. Fingers crossed it's allergies and I'm not actually getting sick, but I sound a little ridiculous now. So I'm gonna go put some jammies on and get a cup of tea and sit over here with the doggos and a blankie and edit this video for you. But in the meantime, I wanted to say thank you once again for joining me on this video. Thank you to everybody who subscribed. I will definitely keep everybody updated with my videos, my content, and my journey. Again, if you want to follow me on Instagram, that's where I update the most. I will put the tag in below. That is Small Donato Realtor. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. I wanted to thank you again for joining me. If you want to join this journey and you haven't already, with me learning how to fly an airplane or just seeing some cool airplane stuff in general, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications for when I do post next. My hope is within the week I'll post again. Hope everybody stays safe and stays healthy. Fingers crossed that I'm not getting sick. And see you guys next time. Bye.